I just came to supermarket to buy some cheese and zucchini. I'm making a special pasta today recipe, and yeah, I'm alone by myself today. Allergy season, guys. We are at my favorite place again. See, summer. Look at the beautiful flowers. Ciao. Over there. Nema zeleni. The green one. Green one, no? Nema.
Mislim na one takve ti.
Koliko je kilo?
79.
Ovo je 79.
Ima.
70.
A ima, ali su mušterije negdje sklonili od toga.
I'm making pasta with this, but so bad. The dark green one, they never have it here in Serbia. Okay. These things are fruits. Frutas. I got some pistachio. So good. They're very tiny, but really good. It's getting really warm. Feels so nice. Feels so warm. Now let's go home and make some linguine pasta, yeah? Special recipe today, guys. I'll explain it to you when we reach home. Welcome back to my beautiful corner here. So guys, today I bought those summer squash because we are going to make Meghan Markle's pasta recipe, which she called it sexy mush. I am going to use linguine pasta for that, and summer squash. We don't have the dark green one, so we're going to use this. 3 babies. 3 of this, and I'll show you what else I'm using. I'm using virgin olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and besides that, I have here parsley. Since we don't go to the farm, we don't have it. And I'm gonna make some meatballs also for my husband. But we have a slight problem, you know. Our oven doesn't work, so my father-in-law is coming to fix the oven in an hour, and I'm supposed to cook this for 4 hours, but I have to stop when he comes. Hopefully it will work out good. I have cheese in the fridge. I want to share you something, guys. I still look sleepy, yeah? My husband bought me this. It's I hope you can see it. It's a lavender drops. I have to drink this in the night, like a small 30 drops in like 100 ml of water, and I also put it under my eye. I think it kind of works. Last night, after I drank this and then I apply it on my face and my nose, just a little bit, I kind of feel relaxed. Maybe it's the mind, but I don't know, my body was very calm. Over here, people use lavender, like a flower inside the house. I used to have it in the pot before, but it gets dried up, so I have to throw it away. Maybe I should buy some more, yeah? It does help, guys. Okay, let's cut this squash up. Finished with the cutting. Now let's start cooking. I need like at least 4 hours to cook down this zucchini. All right, some oil here, olive oil. Let's wait until it gets hot. Alright, oil is hot. Let's add our zucchini. Our summer squash. Oh, be careful. Don't burn yourself. Uh-oh. Dropping. Dropping. They said it's better to use young zucchini, young summer squash, because it doesn't have that much seeds. So yeah, it's been a couple of minutes, guys. I'm using the beef cubes. You can use, they said you can also use beef stock or chicken stock. There you go. You know what? We're gonna start with 1.5. If it needs more, I'm gonna add the half later on. It smells wonderful already. Oh, nice. Smells really good already, guys. Now I'm gonna add here 2 cups of water. How about I use hot water, huh? I'm gonna turn my gas into medium and cover and slowly cook this for hours. And we will come and check it later. In the meantime, I'll go outside and do a little bit of changes in my small garden with the pots and all. So let's go. So these are the mustard greens. I'm gonna kill all this because they are not the good ones, and I will plant the one that Mimi gave me. She said her mustard greens are really big ones. So yeah. I grow here some onions, also mountain onions. Ella is asking for food. For more meat from daddy. There you go, the ground is really good. I wish that I have a big yard, you know, guys. I know we have the farm, but farm is kind of far away. Farm is like an hour away from the city. Alright, let's just put it in here. There you go. Just gonna water it later on. There you go. Funny gardening, yeah?
Hi.
Babe!
Hi everybody.
He needs to go. Where are you going? It's a neighbor.
Neighbor? I have to go buy food for Bella because we don't produce food for Bella. And she's
Yeah.
getting fat with our food. She needs to get her own food. But yeah, that's it.
Okay, bye.
Love you, baby. Love you, baby. Bye.
Bye. It's been an hour, guys, and this is the condition of the zucchini. Smells beautiful. Oh, and by the way, I already put the rest of the cubes, beef cubes. So smells so beautiful, so nice. We still need to cook more for a couple of hours. I wonder what's the neighbor doing. Let's check it out. Let's just be curious. Okay, we can't see it yet. He's cleaning the yard, I guess. Okay, guys, Meghan Markle style sexy mush is ready. It Smells so wonderful. Have a look. Cooked down already. I'm also gonna make some meatballs for my husband. See? It smells beautiful. It's gonna be yummy. Let's first fry the meatballs, guys. My meatballs not so good because I have only one hand. My husband is busy on video call. There we go. Should be a non-sticky flat pan, you know, but you guys know my pan is really bad, so I'm using my wok. There you go. You don't have to push it. We'll just dissolve it slowly. I made meatballs just as an extra for my husband. Meatballs is not the recipe for this one, yeah? Meghan Markle's sexy mush. There's no meatballs, okay? The meatballs are just extra for my husband. So this is the first batch. It's done. You can eat this directly with rice also, guys. So yummy. Oh my gosh, look, so juicy. Very hot though. The flavors of the I add some onions also. Onions, garlic and parsley. Oh my gosh, so good.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm gonna add some butter here. The color is from the wok, from the olive oil. Sorry. And we're gonna add our pasta.
Just spin the whole thing here.
That's good for now, yeah, honey?
Yeah.
But you can eat later. I'll share, I need my sauce just a little bit.
I'm so glad that you're making a meatball spaghetti, baby, eh?
No meatball spaghetti.
Oh, okay.
Add a little bit of pepper. Honey, can you pass me the salt, please? Just add a pinch of salt. This is the sauce.
The sauce.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Some cheese. Formaggio.
Hey.
And a little bit of theishui. Parsley. And that's it. You need to serve this now. Beautiful.
Like a real Italian chef, eh?
No. Need to twist it a little bit.
Yeah.
Just to make it look pretty.
Pretty, eh?
Pretty. Wait. Need some more formaggio. A little bit of formaggio.
The other one.
Is that enough?
No.
More?
More.
That's enough, baby. Look at her belly.
That's it.
That's it, yeah? And guys, this is my recipe. Meghan Markle's style. What is that? Sexy mush.
Sexy mush. Well,
Pasta. And these are for just to eat on the side.
to nibble.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
What do you think, guys? So my husband ate and he left. Now it's my turn, guys. It smells wonderful. It's really mushy. I love linguine pasta. More than spaghetti, I like linguine. I need some more salt, but it's okay. The meatballs salty. It's really good. I'm not a fan of pasta, but it's good. This is good. Let me enjoy my dinner. Thanks so much for spending time with us again. Stay safe, everybody. Eat healthy, drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and stay indoors. Please be safe. See you in our next mukbang or next vlog. Bye.